So first we want to develop a query. So we have two tables, EMP and DEBT, and here we can specify the condition. EMP dot DEBT number equal to DEBT dot DEBT number. So now we want to retrieve the data. So EMP dot EMP number. Okay, better to use the alias names. E dot E name, E dot job, E dot salary, and the D dot DEBT number, and the D dot D name, and the D dot location. So this is our query. So now we are retrieving the 14 records, but these 14 records are applicable for only employee data. We are not retrieve all department data from DEBT table. So what we do? So how we can go to retrieve the all departments data? Which joins? So we can use the outer join. So here I want to retrieve the all data from this table. Okay, then we are using the left outer join. So now we have 15 records. Okay, so automatically we are find out the last record. This last record we don't have the any data. Okay, so let us now we develop the query. We save the query. Copy the query and paste into report builder. And also, so we didn't use the commission. If you use the commission, we can apply the NVL condition. Okay, so that is the reason we didn't use that NVL. So now we connect with our database. So here we have some data. From this data we are going to vary the master records. So department number and department name and location. So next we save the report with RDF extension. and here we can give the name. What is that? No data found, only found. Okay, so I tend to write follow the condition X found. So now save the records. Once it is completed, we need to transfer this file from local machine to server machine. So right now we are in same path. We don't want to change this path. Just refresh the data, go back, and we'll be choose our file. Okay. Now the file is available in our server machine. X found. Okay. Once it is completed, now we are going to log in to Oracle Apps. So we can choose the operations. Welcome. Then we log in with any one of the existing form. Go to change the responsibility, system administrator, and define executable. So here we give the X font and given the same name, short name, and purchase. Then here you can give the name. Save the records. Once it is completed, next we are going to define the concurrent program. XML no data found program. What name? Purchasing. So here we should change the XML and the style is A4. Save the records. Once it is completed, now we want to attach this concurrent program to request group. Security, responsibility, request. So here we want to attach to our request group. Request group. So here we can attach to our program. XML no data found. Save the records. Next, go to change the responsibility and submit the program from SRS window. No data found. Submit. No. Find. So here we are getting the tags. Then here observe this one. How many departments? Four departments. In fourth department we don't have any data, right? So now we want to save this file as a XML format. Now it is completed and change the open the MS Word. Open the MS Word. First we load the data. Add-ins, data, load XML data. Then here data is successfully loaded and design the layout by the system. Okay, so first of all we are going to design the layout manually. Okay, here I want to display 4 columns, 4 employee data and 3 departments data, master data and child data. So how many columns and how many records are required? 5 records and 4 columns. Then go to insert 4 columns and 5 records. Okay, one for department number, another for department name and location and employee data. So here first I want to, so directly I can copy this one. Already I show this the last classes which information is there. Okay, so directly I want to copy this and paste it here. And department number, DPT number, then I copy the department number and D name, location, Okay. The next MP number, E name, job, salary. So here so employee number, employee name, job and salary. This is N loop for employee, right? Next we want to close the, this is the DEPT loop, DEPT end loop, right? Now let us recheck it. First of all we want to bold the that. Let us, we want to run it. Before that we want to validate. So if you want to validate the report, we should save with RTF, rich text format, and then we don't have any errors. Now we are able to see the output of our report. So this is the general one, this is ours. Okay, so here in this point of time I want to remove the existing one, right? So this is ours, new one. And also here I want to generate a new record, means the respected record. Okay, then fine. So here this is the DEPT loop, DEPT and loop. So here I want to split the page break, means department wise generate a new page. No need to record. First let us be here, we can check it. In 40th department in phase wise it is show as no data found. So if it is working, then parameter automatically working.
Every last page we get the no data found.
Every not last page.
Wherever
the data not available, even though 10th department does not have the data, then it is shows no data found. Right? Logic is very important. Okay. So here just I want to split it. Once it is splitted to the next page, what happens? Every page it is display the particular department data. Whenever the 40th department is coming from the 4th page, but 40th department don't have the data, then it is display the no data found. That is our requirement, right? So here what happen means, this is our, here I am going to specify that. Right, and also check it whether it is properly generate the output or not. There. So wherever you can go to use that respected end loop for department, the entire output is going to show us as it is. We don't get any changes, right? Then okay. So here I want to apply the split by page. Then here go to add help text. Here we can apply the split by page break. You can use the colon. So now let us recheck it. Before that we validate that. And observe this one, it is a 10th department. Then coming to 20th department, and coming to 30th department, and coming to 40th department. Here we want to display the no data found. Okay, then so first of all I want to freeze this respected fields. So bottom border and inside the borders, right side the border, left side the border. Okay, so let us first of all we want to go to count the data, count the employees in each and every department. So here we have a specific syntax. So we directly count the data in template also. We don't want to use the functions in our report builder. So here I want to apply that. So here we can go to specify count of EMP number, right? Then directly I want to use that function and will be return the result. So I don't want to specify the text field, just I want to specify that field. Then next we want to validate it. So we don't have any errors. Now go to review. So it is go to the next line. So it is going to read this data also. Okay, let us check it. validate and preview. There. So now it is coming 3 records. We have 3 records. Next coming to second department 5 records, and coming to 30th department 6 record, coming to 40th department, but here it is going to count this one also. That is the reason it is going to show as 1. Okay, not a problem. So now we are going to apply the logic is, if the count of employee number equal to 1. So here that what happen means it is going to read that record also. Okay, here we are going to maintain this record is also 1 record. System also read that record. That is the reason it is going to count as a 1 record. So but now we are going to implement our logic is, if count of employee number equal to 1, then we display the no data found. So where we want to display the no data found? So we want to display the no data found within the department, right? So here I want to display here.
If you have only one record at that time. In another department also.
Then here we are going to do the customization. I didn't do the customization. So layout only we have the problem. Okay, so here it is considered that record as a 1 record. Okay, if in case the program does not read this record, then we can go for a count of 0. Okay, we don't have any problem. Suppose say example 1 second. Right now we don't have any records, right? Then now here we want to apply the split by page break, right? So let us, so this is for department, okay, and then we are going to observe this one. First end loop is employee. Second end loop, it is not end loop, it is a split by page break. So here I want to apply the split by page break. Split by page break, click on OK. So let us recheck it whether how the output is generated. And let us recheck it. So entire will be worked on only. So what happened here? It is not working properly. It is going to split it for each and every record. So what we do? So for that purpose, we want to apply this split by page break in the next record. Okay. Suppose say example here I am going to apply this one. Even though observe this one, what happened? Wherever you want to apply the logic, then we can use the record and will be apply it. Okay, without any. Yeah, next record only it is applicable. So here it is also not working. Suppose if you apply the means, then your doubt is. One second. So here we want to apply that here. Okay, at the same time we can apply this loop in outside. Okay, let us now we are going to validate. So we don't have any errors. So 10th department, 20th department, and 30th department and 40th department. So in 40th department we don't have any data, right? So even though here this respected record, it is going to show as one record. So it is going to consider as a one record, right? So now what we do, we are going to count of the records. Then here what is our condition? First of all, I want to count the employees. Okay, then count of employee number. So here let us check it. Validate, no data, no errors, and RTF. Yeah. Here observe this one. The record is going to next record, means the next page, the number of count of records. So what we do, so this respected columns will be specified into the next record. Okay, then here we have two records. Then let us design it. So way of designing is very important here. Okay, then now it is clear. 10th department and 20th department and 30th department, but coming to 40th department it display 1. So but here this machine is going to consider this is as a one record. That is the reason. So but how we are going to write the logic in this point of time? So we want to specify the count of records, right? So if in case you don't want to display that one also, you cannot use this record as a table, and you can go to choose as a normal column. Means here observe this one. Then here this is a normal record, right? You can go to use that in normal way. But here we are using the table format. That is the reason it is going to display that respected one record. It is going to count the one record. As per our changes the layout, automatically it will come. Nothing to worry. But here I don't want to disturb the layout. Okay. Again,
the count of inside the
count of.
yeah, we have count of EMD column.
If you specify the count of EMD number in repeating frame, what happens? Same. So repeating frame, instead of repeating frame, we are using looping, right? Then that is the same logic. We didn't use any new one, right? So here, in this point of time, I want to display the no data found. Okay, then here, observe this one. What is the condition we want to write it? Then yes, if count of EMP number equal to 1. Okay, if count of employee number equal to 1. Okay, then now we write a message. No data found. No data found. And again we are going to close the end if. and if, right? So let us now we check it. So it is getting for each is it?
Yes.
Yes, we don't have any errors. So now we can go to run it. So between and if we don't have any hyphen, we have space. Now we check it. We have 3 records, then we don't get any no data found. We have 5 records, we don't get any no data found. 6 records, we don't get any no data found. Then in 40th department, we don't have the data. That is the reason no data found is coming. So as per that adjustment, that no data found is going to come into the center. But logic is implemented or not? The logic working successfully. All of you clear or not? Okay, if you go for parameter also, same logic will be implemented. Okay, that is the reason. All of you clear? So very simple. In interview point of view, they are asking this question: how can you implement the no data found? So because of no data found is very important, definitely we can implement this logic in each and every report. Without using this logic, we can't possible to develop the report, because of some data is coming, some data does not coming. At the time we want to display the no data found. Without using no data found, the end user does not understand whether the data is there or not. That is the reason. All of you clear?
Yes.
Okay, then. So very simple. Just you can go to implement the no data found between the no data found text message. If count of employee number equal to 1, so if you go for manual designing, definitely it is going to count of employee number equal to 0. But here I am going to choose the table format. That is the reason it is considered as the respected field space is also one record. If you go for manual, already I told you, this is the manual one for every record, then it is automatically working. Clear? So that is the reason we want to. So now what we do? We are going to register this XML template in Oracle applications. All of you clear this logic? Then now go to XML publisher, responsibility, data template, sorry, data definition, create a data definition. So here we can give the X font short name. This is our concurrent program short name. Observe this one. I don't want to use any another one. Definitely we want to use our concurrent program short name. If you get any doubt here, go to concurrent program window and will be retrieve our then here copy this one and paste into data definition code. This is the better way. Okay, so and the purchasing is application. Click on apply. So go to template and create a template. So here we can give the template. Temp code, template code, purchasing, and data definition is DD. Default output is anyone you can choose. Now I am choosing HTML. Here we want to browse our RTF file and The language is English. So now click on apply. So now our file is available in template. Okay. Then once it is completed, now close this window and we will submit the program from SRS window. Go to respected responsibility and submit the program. So it is showing completed warning. Now we can submit the support program and able to run our output. What is supported program? XML report publisher. And here we submit our request is no data found. Template is our template. Output format is HTML. Better to choose the RTF because of it is generated the RTF format template. Now find it. Now it is completed normal. Go to view output. We are able to see the output of our report. So here open it. The default application is Word. Okay. 10th department, 20th department. Because of it is RTF. That is the reason. 30th department, 40th department. Clear? Okay. So this is the way we are using the no data found. All of you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So it's a very important logic. Definitely we want to use this logic in each and every report. Without no data found, we can't possibly develop any report. Okay.